Here we go. It's Flacco back with another video. Banger. What is good, YouTube? It's Flacco back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. What we're going to be unboxing today is something that is nice, real nice. We got the Gucci and Adidas collaboration, which I can say they do have some things. When I first saw it, I wasn't interested at all, but seeing it in store, like actually taking a look at what they have, you're like, oh, this is pretty nice. It looks better in person than online, you know, like Instagram. And you know, I'm gonna give you some juicy B-roll. So let's get it. But this is how it was presented inside of the bag, which is pretty cool. The box itself, they got this yellow and burgundy feel, I guess. Yellow and burgundy feel on it. It's stamped around the entire box, so being able to take a look at this bad boy. And then this teal handle, I think it's pretty dope. Colorways, chef's kiss. You have the design of what a couple of their pieces have looked like, or the actual design that they're having with the Adidas and Gucci collaboration. You'll have the Gucci and Adidas wrapping like this here, but as you see, the Gucci and Adidas wrapping, and then you're going to rip the paper off. So I picked up these shorts, which are Gucci and Adidas collaboration shorts. I like this. This is a nice summer color, and I think it's something that I can potentially wear year round. It's just nice. It's gonna have the Adidas logo across it along with the Gucci logo, but it's a cream and a yellow color, so it's super thin and super light. And then on the inside of it, on the inside of the pants, you will have the Gucci logo on there with the Adidas, and it was made in Italy. Of course it was. On the other side, you'll have the tag where it comes to the sizing. Their sizes are going to be different from the American sizes, and then it's going to tell you how to wash. But I am not going to wash these. I am definitely going to bring these to the dry cleaners. It's a two-piece. I got the button down to go with it. So it's a short sleeve button down. It has this nice silk material on the inside, which makes it feel totally delish. Collar and everything, you can tell the material that they use this with is just like bougie, like it's ghetto fabulous. It's bougie. In the meantime, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, again, like I said, these videos are coming to you weekly. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers right now. We're almost there. We're closer than we were before from the first video. So let's keep building and grinding. But Flacco is out. I will catch you guys next video. And like I said, it's been a pleasure. You guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video.